Hey everyone, welcome to Hunters Connect. If you're new to turkey hunting, you may be wondering how to get started. To prepare for your first turkey hunt, it's important to understand the needs of the wild turkey during the turkey hunting season, a little bit about their behavior, as well as how a turkey hunt would go down in a perfect scenario. Now, most of the time, things don't unfold in a perfect textbook manner like we wish they would, but knowing how a turkey hunt would unfold if there were a script will allow you to make more educated decisions on what's next if the turkeys don't stick to their lines. Three major needs of the wild turkey year-round are food, water, and adequate habitat. In the spring, breeding rises high on that list. When looking at an area to hunt turkeys in the spring, make sure there are open strutting areas like fields or meadows, trees for them to roost, as well as food and water nearby. Once you find the year-round needs of the turkey are met in an area, you can use that knowledge, as well as their springtime need to breed, to approach the hunt. Turkeys are roosting birds, which means they fly up and land in a tree where they will perch and sleep for the night. In some cases, male turkeys will roost separately from hen turkeys. In the morning, hens and gobblers will vocalize on the roost, and typically, the hens will work their way towards the gobbler, who is gobbling and displaying. In a perfect scenario, you would sneak into the woods and get within 150 yards of a tom on the roost, and hope that you, pretending to be a hen, will be the first bird he hears. When the birds pitch down out of the roost, he'd work his way towards you, and if you can get between the tom and the hens, you're in a great position to call in that bird. When the gobbler makes his way into range, look for your window to make a clean shot. Turkey hunters dream about turkey hunts unfolding this way, but rarely do turkeys read that script. Though not every hunt will be out of the textbook, knowing how turkeys will behave and how a perfect hunt might unfold will help you be better prepared and help you make decisions in the field about the next move to make. I hope this insight is helpful on your next turkey hunt. Thanks for watching Hunters Connect. Good luck and be safe.